People keep asking me, how do you manage to run two YouTube channels all by yourself? Like, how do you manage to post consistently all by yourself without any editor, just you versus your mobile phone? Despite being a wife, a mom, and also a content creator. But the thing here is that it's actually very hard though. It's not easy, honestly speaking. I must be frank with you guys. Yeah, but I've been able to figure out a perfect and beautiful routine that has been helping me stay consistent. Like if I say to myself that I want to be posting video here every single day on my two channels, I'll be able to do it. And believe me when I say this routine can actually work for anybody, even if you are doing a 9 to 5 job. Yeah, I know I'm no longer doing a 9 to 5 job. I think this routine should also work out for you. So if you're out there and you're battling with being consistent here on YouTube, you're struggling to like meet up with your daily upload, you don't know what to do, you are a mom, you are you have a toddler. I also do have a toddler. But every single thing that I do to make my content creation journey super easy, I'm going to be sharing it with you all in today's video. So hello and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my videos. And if this is the first time you're coming across my channel and my video, you're welcome to this beautiful home. Yeah, so my name is Princess and I actually have two beautiful channels, though I'm planning on opening another one very soon, but that will be coming very soon. So I actually have two channels. One is my main channel and this particular lifestyle channel you all are watching me from. So I'm going to be sharing with us in today's video how I've been able to stay consistent, like posting videos almost every single day. So first of all, I'm no longer working. Like let's say I am a full-time content creator, but I could remember about 6, 7, 8 months ago when I was still doing more like my 9 to 5 job, I was still able to be consistent on my channel. Yeah, one thing about this whole content creation thing is I used to tell people is that you have to take it like a job. Yeah, except if maybe you have this kind of stressful job, but don't worry, I will still be telling you a way you can be able to go with it. Yeah, one thing is you have to take it like a job. Content creation is not easy because whether you like it or not, you are you're going to make money at the end of the day, and there is no work that is easy, be it physical, be it making videos, or be it shooting online. No one is easy. That is why you have to apply what I call consistency and determination. These two things have actually been helping me. Yeah, I think determination, if you're determined to do something, you should be able to do it. Yeah, so basically this is how I am able to do mine. I actually every week, I don't shoot videos every day. I not be superwoman. I don't shoot videos every day. I pick out like 2 times in a week or 3 days in a week that I shoot my videos. And if I am shooting a video, let's say I pick Monday and I pick Thursday and I pick Friday, or let's say I pick Monday, I pick Wednesday and I pick Friday. These 3 days, if I'm to shoot video on Monday, I would be shooting close to 3 different videos. The way I do it, 2 videos going straight to my main channel and 1 video to my lifestyle, because as you all know, I post almost every single day on my main channel, but I just recently reduce it because I'm trying to test a different pattern. If it was before, there are some times that I even post twice, like 2 times in the day on my main channel. Yeah, so one of the things that has actually helped me a lot is what we call batch filming. Unlike vlog channel, there are some channels that you might not be able to meet up with posting every single day. So do not kill yourself. If you have a lifestyle and vlog channel, you might not be able to meet up with posting every day. And I keep hearing it from a lot of people that if you don't post videos every day here, you will not get the visibility. That is a big fat lie. See, this my lifestyle channel, it took me not less than 3 months to hit my 3,000 public watch hour, though we're going to be getting monetized soon. Next, YouTube is just delaying it. It took me not less than 3 months, but for my main channel that I even used to post every single day, it took me almost 6 months to get monetized on my main channel. So what am I trying to say? And this my lifestyle channel, most of the time I even post once every week. Sometimes I post 2 times every week. So it's not really about you posting every day. It's about one, the content itself and how consistent you are. Consistency does not really mean you should drop video on your channel every day. No, you can be dropping video 3 times in a week and you are consistent with it. It's just like you telling your audience that okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are the days I post on my channel, and you stick to it. So every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday they should be expecting a video from you. Yeah, that is what this whole consistency is all about. And also the YouTube algorithm will even get use or get to know your channel and be like, okay, these are the days this particular creator posts. It's not that you will say, okay, I post 2 times every week and you post this week, and before you drop video again it will be like till thy kingdom come or the next month. You are not being consistent. Okay, yeah. So one of the things that have actually helped me a lot is what I call batch filming. I shoot like three videos at a go. Sometimes when I even have all the energy, I shoot like 5 videos. There was a day that my two phone, because I am shooting currently from my iPhone 7 and this is my iPhone 12. There was a day that the two of them, their storage was so full. At the end of the day, I had to delete 2 videos because I could not edit and I could not save. So that is how, this is what has been helping me remain consistent. And I don't just set up my camera and start shooting. No, Saturdays and Sundays I don't shoot. In fact, Saturdays and Sundays I don't take any classes. In fact, I just dedicate it to my family and for myself also. Yeah, because I need to think and refresh. Yeah, so what I do is, if I am shooting on Monday, Saturday and Sunday I will be working on the video. I have a book, but of recent I make use of my diary on my phone. That is my phone notepad, and also my ChatGPT. So before on Monday I would have jot down every single thing that I want to shoot, even if I don't even know what to record. You are a YouTuber, you are a content creator. If you don't know what to do on your niche, you have ChatGPT. I think I should be making a video on how to use ChatGPT properly. See, bro, you can do any niche you want to do as long as you have your ChatGPT. As long as you know how to edit small, then you're good to go. See, content creation should not even be hard for you when you have ChatGPT here. Like that's by the way, sha. So before I film on Monday, I will just calm down, write all my title. If I'm going to be shooting 3 videos, I will write the 3 videos down, their title, then I will study it. I will know what I want to come out to say, so that Monday that I'll be shooting, once it's 12, because currently my kids are not going to school, so I'm not waking up to do any school run or maybe no school run. So let's say when I was still going to shop, yeah, because what I do back then is what I still do now. So normally I leave my house 10 a.m. every day to go to my shop. So what I can do is, because I don't shoot with ring light, though I have ring lights, I have LED lights, but I don't shoot with them. I shoot with natural lights because currently I am facing my window and my window is facing me. Yeah, so I shoot from natural light. So what I do is, I will just like quickly shoot my video. And back then I could remember Mondays I don't really go to shop all that early. I might leave my house by 12. So from 10 to 11, because I believe from 10 to 11 the kids have gone to school already. Nobody's in the house. The house is quiet. This is going to my stay home moms out there. From 10 to 12 your kids are out. So from that 10 to 12, utilize it as long as you have studied on the video that you want to create in the past. So setting up your camera should just you speaking it, that is just you making the video, and after that you join it together and you keep it on CapCut. So you can still pick out another day that you will use to edit it before you now post it. Yeah, so this is basically what I do. So on Mondays I shoot like 3 videos, and that 3 videos is going to last me for like Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday. Then my next day of shooting could be Thursday. That same Thursday I will shoot like 2 or 3 videos. Yeah, so for those of us that is working from Monday to Friday, you can use your Saturday. You can make use of a Saturday to shoot, you can use your Sunday to shoot, but for me I don't make use of those days because I use them to rest. Now after the shooting aspect, the next thing is editing. Me, I used to say it though, I only edit at night. I don't sleep. From 11 o'clock, I have carried my phone and I am editing. So that might not work out for you, but you just have to find a way. Me that's even saying it's not easy for me. It's just because of I am committed to it. I see it as a job, and it's something I must do. That is why I'm doing it. It's not that I have all the free time, because there are sometimes that I'll be shooting, my baby will just run from nowhere. I'll have to pause, play with him, distract him, take him outside, or my girl will help me to hold him, or his father carries him. That is any day he's around. Yeah, so you just have to try your best to find a way around it, and before you know it, you see yourself going and see yourself going. So another one also again is for the sake of storage space, you can as well shoot like 3 videos, then you edit one at a time. You might edit one and put it on schedule. You schedule it to a particular date you want it to drop on your channel. If you're a type that's okay, preset, I post 2 times every week, maybe 2 long video and 1 short. It's very, very okay. You can do it. If it is one day that you want to use to shoot those 2 videos, good and fine. If you want to shoot them in, let me say, one per day, good and fine. Once you're done shooting it, try to create a time to edit it, maybe at night. Utilize your night here, because now work we dey all do here. So maybe you edit your video at night, then you can now schedule it to the very day you want it to drop on your channel. Same thing goes to your shorts. Just draft out something from what you have created from the long form and post it to your short. Yeah, it's very, very easy. Yeah, for those of us that is doing vlog, lifestyle kind of channel, your own, you might want to be doing a week in your life every single day. If you want to be documenting your Monday to Friday, you document them. Then on Sunday, you try your best to edit, or let's say on Saturday, which is the last day, you try your best to like edit it before you now bring it and post it on Sunday, depending on the day you're posting it. See, well, I just believe that if you're committed to it, you'll be able to do it. It's not hard. Yeah, but most of the times it's hard, and starting it is not easy. But believe me when I say, if you're able to start it and you're consistent with it, you'll be able to do it. So this is how I've been able to remain consistent on my channel. It's not like maybe Mr. Chiamaka have all the free time in the world, because there was a time that I went, okay, yeah, I was on a WhatsApp video call with one of my new students, yeah, and I told her, oh, I'm coming. I put something on fire. She was like, Mr. Chiamaka, you actually cook? Like, you cook? I said, ah, what do you mean? Who is going to cook for me? My girl is still very small. She can't cook. So I literally do almost everything in my house. I do my cleaning. Like, I do everything. I'm doing my mother job, wife job, every single thing I am doing it, but I'm still able to remain consistent. So this is to tell you that you can be able to do. So for those of us that say, oh, Mr. Chiamaka, I have 4 children, I have 3 children, my love, you can still do it, okay? I know that I only have one. No, I have 2. So if I'm able to do it with 2 kids, I should be able to do it with 3, 4, 5. No. We're not burning 5. Just 3. Yeah, 3 kids. Yeah. That's 2 more plus this one. That is 4. Yeah. So guys, this is to tell you that you can be able to do it. It's not hard. It's not hard. You can do it. So these are basically what has been helping me to remain consistent here. So if you have any question, you can still go down to the comment section and ask me, and I'm here to reply you. Okay. So thank you so much for watching as usual. And this is me trying to encourage you out there that it's not easy. It's not easy, honestly speaking. It's not easy. But when you take it as a job, you know that something is going to come out at the end of the month, you definitely put in the work and you do it. So thank you so much for watching as usual, and I'll see you all in my next video.